Here's how to get started with Synthesia, an easy-to-use text-to-video app that comes with a huge selection of realistic talking AI avatars. First, pick a video template and choose from this collection of over 70 human-like avatars. You can upload a script, ask Synthesia to generate a script for you, or import a PowerPoint deck as a starting point. You can type in over 120 languages and Synthesia will automatically have the avatar speak in the language, accent, and voice you select. Next, customize your video with the built-in Synthesia editor. You can add text and graphics, change colors to match your brand, and upload your company logo. If you want, you can upload your own photos, graphics, and videos. You can also choose from a huge library of Shutterstock videos and images, plus you get access to a large number of royalty-free background music tracks. As the director of your video, you can have the avatars make certain gestures for emphasis as they talk. Plus, you can decide if you want them to appear on screen as a full body, inside a circle, or not appear on the screen at all. It's easy to animate text and graphics so they appear when the avatar says certain words by dropping markers into your script. When you're ready, click Generate Video and choose if you want to include closed captions. Here's a clip from a finished Synthesia video so you can see how it looks and sounds.
Let's take a look at some ways AI can help you achieve your goals as a business leader.
Share the video with your team to gather feedback. If you want to make changes, simply edit your video and generate a new one. Once it's ready, you can download the video in full HD resolution, share a link in an email or on social media, or embed the video on your website. To create a free sample video, just click the link in the description below. For a more in-depth Synthesia tutorial, watch this video next.